Hello everyone, my name is Amit Panwar. I am from Rupabedi, Barwaha, Khargone district, Madhya Pradesh. I have done my Bachelor's of Business Administration from the Devi Vidyalaya, Indore in year of 2021. After the graduation, my one friend suggested to me join eVision. eVision Technoserve is IT services and consultant company. I am joined eVision on 4th November of 2023. After 6 months of internship, I got a offer letter of 28th March 24th, and my offer joined I joined Aforeserve 1st April of 2024. There my CTC is approx 2.60k. That job I got for in to eVision. To thanks all eVision team and support. There are supportive and experienced faculty. To thanks all the eVision team for the I getting job. Thank you.